Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the system of Shura in Islam and the duties and responsibilities of the Imam or Caliph towards the Islamic State. Shura, or consultation, is a fundamental principle in Islamic governance. It emphasizes the importance of collective decision-making and the participation of the community in matters of state. The practice of Shura dates back to the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the Rashidun Caliphs. It was a key element in ensuring justice, transparency, and accountability in governance. The Imam or Caliph, as the leader of the Islamic State, has significant duties and responsibilities. These include ensuring justice, maintaining law and order, protecting the rights of citizens, and upholding Islamic values. Through Shura, the Imam consults with knowledgeable and trusted members of the community. This ensures that decisions are made collectively, taking into account diverse perspectives and expert opinions. The Shura system promotes unity, accountability, and transparency. It strengthens the bond between the leader and the community, fostering trust and cooperation. Understanding the Shura system and the responsibilities of the Imam helps us appreciate the Islamic approach to governance. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content about Islamic teachings and history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on YouTube and TikTok for more insights into Islamic principles and history.